Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 10 halalas ng Saudi Arabia. Mayroon taon na 1977. Sa Islamic year dito guys ay 1397. So i-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. Dahil mayroon din naman itong napakagandang kasaysayan. The 10 halalas or tukers coin from Saudi Arabia first minted in 1977. In Islamic year 1397 AH is part of the country's modern coinage system, introduced during the reign of King Khalid bin Abdulaziz Al Saud in 1975 until 1982. It was issued in the response to Saudi Arabia's growing economy and the need for the smaller denominations coins for daily transaction. Historical context and monetary system evolution. Before Saudi Arabia was unified in 1932, various currencies, including foreign coins, were used in trade. The Saudi Riyal or SAR as the national currency, subdividing it into 20 kurs or 100 halalas. By 1970s, with economic growth due to oil exports, new coins were minted to facilitate everyday transaction. The reign of King Khalid 1975 until 1982, this coins was issued under King Khalid bin Abdulaziz, who oversaw rapid economic development, fueled by Saudi Arabia's oil wealth, infrastructure expansion, and modernization. During this rapid increase, the need for a standardized currency system. The 10 halalas coin was part of the series that made it easier to handle a smaller transaction. The cross swords and foundry on the obverse symbolize Saudi strength, unity, and prosperity. The Arabic inscription emphasizes the country's Islamic and Arabic heritage. End of the circulation and collectibility. The 10 halalas coin of 1977 until 1980 was later replaced by newer issues as the monetary system evolved. Today, it remains a collectible item valued based on rarity and condition rather than as the active currency. So yun guys ang ating mga nakuhang impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Saudi Arabia. Maraming salamat sa panood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.